Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the fourth chapter, that is cubes and cube roots. In previous video already I have told what is the cubes and what are the perfect cubes and how to find out also I have already explained to you. But students, today we will discuss about the properties of the cubes, perfect cubes number, and also some problems. So let us see that, students. First, I have given that one example one here. What is the smallest number by which 2160 should be divided to make it a perfect cube? Students, this it has given to you. Observe here, 2160. This is whether it is a perfect cube number or not, you have to see. If it is not also perfect cube number, first of all you have to check it. Then after, which number will divide this number, which is smallest number you will divide to this number, then what are the quotient will come, what is the result will come, that will become a perfect cube number. Okay friends, so first of all what you have to do, how like which number you have to do, that you have to make it the, what is that, a group. Groupism you have to make. You have to make the group by the, first of all you have to make it the prime factoration, then we have to make it a group, and which one are unpaired, that we have to divide. Okay, so see what is the procedure, students. First of all write down that here. First we can find out 2160 prime factoration we can do for making group. 2 will go, 2 1 ja 0, 8 0, 2 5 ja 4 0, 2 2 ja 4 7 0, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 5 2 ja 5 7 ja 3 9 ja 3 3 ja 3 1 ja. Okay students, now write down the students. So 1 2 3 4 we can do, students. After here I am writing here 2160 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into here 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay students, so now we have to make it group, students. We have to make it a groupism. Okay, you have to make the group. So three numbers we have to make one group. This two individual, this is also one group. So now friends, observe here, 2 is ungrouped pair, it is unpaired. Yes, is it or not? Okay, so that means we can write hence 2160 is not a first perfect cube, not a perfect cube, and 2 and 5 are ungrouped, hence if those are ungrouped, what is that? Hence, or so we can write it. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay, so 10 should multiply, 10 should divide, 10 should 2 into 5 is equal to how much, students? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So you can write here also the other students. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So therefore what you can write it? 10 should or direct we can, therefore we can write, friends, that we got now 10. The result we will get the smallest number. We can write here, therefore the smallest number by which 2160 should be divided to make it a perfect cube is 10. Okay, the smallest number by which 2160 should be divided to make it a perfect cube is 10. Why 10? Because 2 and 5 are ungrouped number. So that whatever the remaining numbers ungrouped, that you should multiply. And what is the product? That is the number. And if you divide with this number will cancel and remain it will be grouped. So the smallest number how much friends? Not the 10. If 10 should divide with this number, then whatever the answer will come, that is a perfect cube number. Okay friends. So next friends, we will go for that example 2. Observe here. Evaluate this. Okay. So evaluate means find the value friends. First of all, to write down here friends solution. And write down the question first. 3 square plus 4 square. Here 1 by 2. And here cube. Okay friends. So now is equal to what you can do. First of all, in the bracket inside what is that value? You have to write it. First 3 square means 9 plus 4 square means 16. Power 1 by 2 and power 3. So is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. 1 by 2 3 is equal to. So what you do students? You observe here. 25 means what we can do? We can write it 5 square 1 by 2. Observe students, 25 means we will make it exponent 5 square. 5 square power as usual same things I am doing. First of all, this one I open value I have take. Then after I added 25. 25 is equal to 5 square and 1 by 2 power also 3 is equal to. Now this power will take out this power with multiply. So 5 power 2 into 1 by 2 power 3. Okay. So is equal to friends. This power to power cancel, only will stay power 3. So is equal to 125. So this is our answer. I hope you have understand about this. What is that? These problems I have solved, and you should try in your textbook and exercise part. Okay. Thank you all of you. So next we will go for that. What are the properties? Properties of a cube of a natural number. Same as it students. How you have studied that? Square numbers. What are the properties of square numbers? Okay students. Same as it. We have to study the properties of cube numbers. If you will remember this, then it is very easy to solve and to apply the problems. Okay. So these properties you can apply while you are doing the solving the problems. So students, observe here. First property, you have to remember these things. The cube of every even number is even. Same like the square of any even number is an square even number. The cube of every even number is an even number. Okay. Square of an even number is also an even number. Cube of an even number is also an even number. Second, if suppose I will say 2 cube. 2 is an even number. It's a cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is also an even number. 4 cube. 4 is an even number. 4 cube value how much? 64. 4 into 4 into 4. So 64. 64 is also an even number. So that means students, first property what is that saying? Cube of an even number is also an even number. Okay. So that means we can write also here students. Example we can do 2 cube is equal to 8. 4 cube is equal to 64 also you can just understand it. 2 is an even number, 8 is also an even number. Okay. The cube of every odd number is also odd number. Same like the square of an odd number is also an odd number. Yes or no? Same like square of an odd number is also an odd number. Same as it, we can say the cube of an odd number is also an odd number. Okay. So see students here, suppose I will say 3 cube. 3 is an odd number. 3 cube has 27. 27 also odd number. 5 cube. 5 cube is equal to 125. So 5 is also an odd number. It's a cube if you do, that value also odd number. Okay. Now go for the third questions. The sum of the cubes of the first n natural number is equal to the square of their sum. Students, it is very important formula also. You can remember also this formula. You remember this property, very important properties. What they are telling? The sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers. That means first n natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that you have to go continuously. But you cannot take a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that don't take a first natural number means 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. So the cube of sum of the cubes of the first natural number. That means 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. So on infinity up to that. So up to n. N means last term. Okay. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube 100 cube like that up to n cube. Suppose any cube you can take. Last cube you can take n. So is equal to what is that? Now whatever that cubes are there you add to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot plus n. That square. Okay students. Suppose I will say these three terms I will take. Only first three terms. Then what will come? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. What is the value? What is the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube? This is the first three natural numbers. Yes or no? First three numbers. So what you will do? Now question answer that formula 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. That means 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 square is equal to 36. If this value will take out, that value will come 36 only. So without finding the cubes, easily we can add and square if you do, we will get the answer. Okay. Next is here fourth properties. The cubes of a numbers ending with the 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 also end with the same digits. Okay friends. Cubes of a numbers, any cube of the numbers, how it is it? Now it will be stay 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. This will stay or end with the same digit. If also same digit means which number cube you are taking, that digit will stay. B. Cubes of a number ending with 2 end with 8. Okay. If any number ending with 2 is there. Okay. So that end with 8 will come. Suppose I will say 12. 12 end with what? 2. It's a cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12. It's 144 into 12, 288, 144. So 8, 1728. So 8 is the cube is equal to 1728. That is observations. Its unit place is 2. End with 2. Then cubes end with 8. 8. So if any number end with 2, then its cube is end with 8. Same reverse. Second next question. Next properties. Cube of a number ending with 8. If 8 is there, then it will become 2. End with its cube is end with 2. Next. Cubes of a number ending with 3. Then end with 7. If any number end with 3, its cube, then that answer what will come? That will end with 7. Cubes of a number ending with 7 end with 3. Reverse. If any number cube you are finding its number end with 7, then its cube. That means its cube product of that cubic number is equal to how much that answer will come? End with 3 will come. Cubes of a number ending with 0 end with 3 zeros. Students, if one number ending with 10 is there and we are finding that cube, that compulsory it will stay the 3 zeros after the cubing. Okay students, I hope you have understood about this problems, and today whatever we have studied I have taught you. So and this property is very important students, you should remember this all the things. Okay. Okay students, for your homework, read and learn properties of cube number. Okay, this is for you homework. Thank you all of you.